The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for eastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, western Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:25 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Cambria to near Rio, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar-indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Partyville, Randolph, Fall River, Rio, Cambria, Fox Lake, Wauchina, Otsego, Friesland, Doylestown, Astico, Danville, and South Beaver Dam. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather